Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in, let it out slowly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. This is the rhythm of life, the constant ebb and flow of breath. It's a simple act, yet so profound. We rarely stop to think about it. But our breath is a precious gift, sustaining us every moment of our lives. Each breath connects us to the world around us. We inhale oxygen, the very essence of life. We exhale carbon dioxide, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. This exchange is a beautiful symphony, orchestrated by the remarkable organs we call lungs. Have you ever wondered how many breaths you take in a single day? Around 22,000. Each one silent, invisible, unnoticed. But every breath is a sign of life, a sign of divine design. In this episode of The Miracles in Our Bodies, we journey into a pair of soft, pink, spongy organs, the lungs. Let's pause and breathe in the miracle. Hidden within our chests lie two intricate sponge-like organs, our lungs. These remarkable structures are the unsung heroes of our bodies, working tirelessly day and night. With each breath, they draw in air, filtering out impurities and extracting life-giving oxygen. The capacity of our lungs is astonishing. On average, we breathe in about 13 pints of air every minute. That's enough to fill a standard car tire. And if we were to spread out the surface area of our lungs, it would be roughly the size of a tennis court. These delicate tissues are a testament to the incredible design of the human body. The lungs are often taken for granted. We rarely stop to think about them, even though they work tirelessly every second of our lives. Most people know that lungs help us breathe, but their role in our bodies goes far beyond simply taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Did you know that the lungs are also a crucial part of your immune system? They contain special cells like macrophages that trap and destroy harmful bacteria, dust, and even tiny viruses before they can enter your bloodstream. In this way, your lungs act as the first line of defense, protecting you from countless invisible threats in the air you breathe every day. Here's another fascinating fact. Your right lung is actually a bit larger than your left. This isn't a mistake. It's because your heart sits slightly to the left side of your chest, so your left lung is smaller to make room for it. Even in their structure, your lungs and heart are designed to fit together in perfect harmony, showing just how intricately your body is organized. Inside each lung are about 300 million alveoli, those tiny balloon-like air sacs responsible for oxygen exchange. They are so numerous that if you could spread them out flat, their total surface area would be about half the size of a badminton court. This huge area is what allows your body to absorb enough oxygen to keep every cell alive and thriving. But the lungs don't just handle gases. They also filter out small blood clots, store a portion of your blood, and help balance your body's pH level by controlling carbon dioxide. These multitasking organs are constantly adjusting to keep your internal environment stable, no matter what you're doing. So yes, your lungs are working quietly in the background, but they are true multitasking masters, keeping you healthy and alive in more ways than you might ever imagine. Our breath is intimately connected to our emotions. Have you ever noticed how your breathing changes when you're stressed or anxious? It becomes rapid and shallow. When we're calm and relaxed, our breath slows down, becoming deep and rhythmic. This connection is no coincidence. When we're stressed, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. Our heart rate increases and our breathing speeds up to deliver more oxygen to our muscles. This response is essential for survival in dangerous situations. However, chronic stress can keep us in this heightened state, leading to a host of health problems. So let's connect the dots. When your lungs pull in fresh oxygen, your brain releases dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin, all of which are linked to joy, calmness, and motivation. That's why a walk in fresh air feels like therapy. That's why people in nature feel mentally lighter. And that's why lack of oxygen, like in crowded cities or poorly ventilated rooms, can contribute to fatigue, brain fog, and even depression. Air is not just physical, it's emotional food. This is the secret link between breathing and happiness, and this is one of the subtle miracles of the lungs. Why is oxygen so crucial for our survival? The answer lies deep within our cells. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, which is the process by which our cells convert food into energy. Without oxygen, our cells just wouldn't be able to function. Our brains, in particular, are highly dependent on a constant supply of oxygen. Deep breathing delivers a surge of oxygen to our brains, enhancing cognitive function, improving focus, and even boosting our mood. Studies have shown that deep breathing can also increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, our so-called feel-good hormones. This explains why practices like meditation and yoga, which really emphasize deep breathing, have such a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. Take a moment to appreciate the miracle of your breath. Notice how with each inhale, fresh energy fills your body, and with every exhale, tension and worries gently drift away. Breathing is something we do all day, every day, often without even thinking about it. This simple act connects us to the very source of life. Every breath is a silent reminder that we are alive, present, and part of something much greater than ourselves. It's a gift, freely given, and honestly, one we often take for granted. Yet when we pause to notice it, we realize how precious and essential it truly is. In many spiritual traditions, breath is seen as a symbol of the divine spark within us. It is the bridge between body and spirit, a gentle thread that ties us to the present moment. It's a reminder that we are not separate from the world around us, but intimately connected to it. The air we breathe has traveled across mountains, forests, and oceans, uniting all living things. Let us cultivate a sense of gratitude for each breath we take. With every inhale, let us remember the gift of life, and with every exhale, release what no longer serves us. Let us be mindful of the air we breathe, striving to protect it from pollution and degradation. Our well-being and the health of the planet are deeply intertwined. And let us use the power of our breath to calm our minds, heal our bodies, and connect with the wonder of life itself. Each breath is an invitation to return to ourselves, to gratitude, and to the beauty of simply being alive. The Quran says, "And it is He who gave you hearing, sight, and hearts. Little are you grateful." Surah As-Sajdah 32:9. And again, "He gave you life, then will cause you to die, then will bring you back to life." Surah Al-Hajj 22:66. But between life and death lies every breath. Each inhale and exhale is a silent miracle, a gift we often overlook in the rush of daily life. Your lungs are engineered by the Creator, not just for survival, but for tranquility. They are a masterpiece of divine design, working tirelessly and quietly, sustaining us through every moment. No lab can design something so soft, so light, so efficient, yet so connected to the soul. The gentle expansion and contraction of our lungs is a reminder of our dependence, our vulnerability, and our connection to something greater. Have you ever noticed how prayer, across all faiths, begins by slowing down the breath? Whether in a mosque or in the quiet of your own room, the act of mindful breathing is universal. That's no coincidence. When we breathe slowly, we enter a state of submission, of presence, of peace. Our minds quiet, our hearts open, and we become more aware of the sacredness of the moment. Even the word spirit in Latin, spiritus, means breath. This ancient connection between breath and spirit is found in cultures and languages around the world, reminding us that to breathe is to be alive, to be present, to be spiritual. Breath is life, and life is sacred. Each breath is a chance to reflect, to be grateful, and to reconnect with the divine purpose woven into our very being.